This is a test of the Northbrook Comcast Emergency Override System. This test is conducted monthly at this time. If this were an actual emergency situation, you would be given important information through this system. This concludes the test of the Northbrook Comcast Emergency Override System.
Ernesto, tell me the truth now. Did you ruin my presentation and get me fired? If you lie, then your consequences will be more intense. Okay, I did. Please don't ground me or give me a punishment day. Would you?
But it's a little tricky.
I don't care. Just tell me what to do.
The first thing Kelly has to do is breathe.
I'm breathing now. What's next?
No, Kelly. Kelly has to do a special yoga breathing.
This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for all Illinois counties until 10:15 a.m. This is a test message. This is a test tornado warning as part of Illinois Severe Weather Preparedness Week. This is a test message. If this was an actual tornado warning, you would be given information on the location and movement of the storm. This is a test message. This is a communications exercise. Please review your tornado shelter procedures at home, at your place of business, or at your school. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message.
23749 decades. For your punishment, I will destroy your Xbox Series X with a sledgehammer.